This is a time for endurance. This is a time for strength, and it's also a time for the long haul. So, you must think long term in terms of your business and pay no attention to these fluctuations in your current experience. So joy and also disappointment will commingle with opportunities. So there's no need to fear the occasional obstacle. Life is not a sprint. This is just a reminder that you have the endurance, you have the strength, you have the fortitude to carry you all the way, and just to remain true to yourself. Now, your authenticity alone will keep you in alignment with the energy of miracles, of things happening that you want. And what is yours will never be withheld from you. So it's important to remember that. And I know a lot of you, it's almost like you've come into this, our world has been turned upside down. It's, similar to perhaps wandering into a desert. And you might conjure up the image of a desert where you picture parched lips, sunburnt skin and mirages. But there's a lot more to it than that. Amid the hot sands are creatures with resilient spirits, tough skins, and the willingness to burrow deep underground for water so that they may thrive. So this is a time for you to develop survival skills and resilience, and also learning how to conserve your strength. And in this temporary time of austerity, it's wise to be selective about where you expend your energy. So this is also an important time for letting go of what is not important for you. Actually, it's almost like, what is the gift in this situation for you? And we certainly believe that this is a time where you can really transform and let go of anything that wasn't serving you, things that you were doing that really you shouldn't have been doing, and you felt that you should have, you ought to have done, or maybe you were protecting people, or making things much easier for people, but actually it was sacrificing. It was a sacrifice from your perspective. So I want you to think about this time to really let go of stuff that you shouldn't have been holding on to or be doing anyway, and start asking yourself the questions like, who do I want to emerge as? Within 3-4 months time, who do I want to be, and what parts of myself do I want to change or leave behind? Because this is your opportunity to do that.